Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all would be safe and fine at home. We have started our lesson number 3, our country in the last class, and we discussed about our country, that in which continent it is and which countries are sharing border with Pakistan. We also learn about the people of Pakistan. Today we will see the beauty of our country, Pakistan. That which landscapes are there, that why it is called a very wonderful country in the world, why the tourists from all over the world are coming over there in our country. We will see it. And we also learn that it is a land of contrast. It is its land is not of one kind. It has different types of land. We will see in this class. Our country is beautiful and it has a variety of natural features. As I have said, that it is a land of contrast. In north, in the north of our country, in the northern areas like Gilgit-Baltistan and KPK province, there are 7 of the world's highest mountains that were in that 7 of the world highest mountains are present in Pakistan. It is very a great honor. We should feel proud of our country. High mountains with snowy peaks, as you can see in these pictures as well. This is a picture of a very famous place, Malam Jabba, that is in northern area. And many tourists, not from the Pakistan, all over the world come over there to see this beautiful place. There are glaciers, means mountains full of snow. Fresh mountain streams, as you can see in these pictures, that these streams are coming from mountains. Waterfall, a very good scene to see in the northern area. Clear icy lakes, deep valleys. This is called the valley, which is between the mountains. These are the beautiful things which you will only see in the northern areas of Pakistan. This is the beauty which is attracting all the whole the world. Do you know the highest peak in Pakistan? Yes, the highest peak which is present in Pakistan is K2, which is not only the highest peak of Pakistan, but it's the second highest peak of the world. Now, we will say that what is in the central part of Pakistan and in the east. In the central part, there are wide plains with rich, fertile soil watered by the river Indus and its tributaries. Before this, we have seen that in the north, you are having mountains. Now, in the central part of Pakistan, that is mostly Punjab, we are having fertile land. The river Indus, which starts in the Himalaya, joined at Mithankot by the Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and Satluj, which flows as one from Panjnant in southern Punjab. In Punjab, you are having the Indus River, which is divided into its tributaries, which are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and Satluj. Okay, these all the rivers are giving water to the area. That is why this area is a very fertile area. All the vegetation or the agriculture is present over there in the central part of Pakistan. This is the that is why this is the agriculture heartland of Pakistan. Crops grow in the fields and many people work on the farms. Most of the population of Pakistan, is living in this area just because of the agriculture. That is why Pakistan is also an agricultural country. There are also desert in the east. Not only the agricultural land, but also a variety of deserts. Means here you can see that it is a land of contrast. On one side, we were having mountains. On the other side, we see that there are fertile soil. And on the other side, we are also having the desert that is very different from agricultural land. Means there is a less water. And the famous deserts which are here in Punjab are Thal and Thar deserts. Thal and Thar deserts. You can also see this picture. This is a picture of Thar desert. This is a picture of Thar desert, and you will see you will know that this desert is the seven largest in the world, seven largest desert in the world, and third largest in our continent, Asia. And you will also see a view of the agricultural land which we found mostly in Punjab. Now we come towards the east, towards the west. Before this north and east, now we are discussing about the west. What we find in west. There are mountains in the west, but not as high as those in the north. In the northern area of Pakistan, we are having mountains even more than 8,000 meters high. In west, we are also having the mountains, but these mountains are not as much high in north as in north. There is also an area of desert land as there is in the east. In the east, we were also having the desert, okay? And in the west of Pakistan, we are also having the desert. In the east, we were having Thar and Thal desert, while in the west, we are having Cholistan and Kharan desert. There are no large river or lakes in the west, but it has a long coastline along the Arabian Sea, a very famous coastline. That is Makaran coastline along the Arabian Sea. You can also see the picture of this coastline over there. That was all for the today's class. Okay, now we will do some class work. Write down question. You have to write down this question in your notebooks as well. Find out the names of the main desert in Pakistan. Find out the names of the main deserts in Pakistan. We have learned that we are having desert in two areas, in the east and in the west. Means total there are four deserts, four main deserts in Pakistan. Cholistan Desert, Haran Desert. Cholistan and Haran Desert were in the west, while Thar Desert, Thar Desert. These two deserts were in east of Pakistan. Okay, you have to write this question in your notebook as well. Okay, just go through this lesson from your book as well, and if there is any question, you can do contact me on my WhatsApp number, or you can also drop your question in Google Classroom. Okay, students, thank you. Allah Hafiz.